Do dogs think humans are dogs? This is one of those questions every dog owner has asked at some point. Your pup stares at you, wags their tail, brings you a toy, licks your face, and you start wondering, wait, does my dog think I'm just a really big, weird-looking dog? Let's find out. But first, welcome to Pawsome Earth. Do you think dogs understand just how different we are? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get started. Dogs know we're not dogs. Let's start with the basics. Dogs are smart. Maybe not calculus smart, but socially and emotionally intelligent in ways we're still learning about. They use a combination of scent, body language, and vocal tone to understand their world. One big clue that dogs don't think we're dogs: we smell nothing like dogs. Dogs have up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to our 6 million. That means they experience the world largely through scent, and they can immediately tell we're not one of them based on that alone. Visually, we don't move like dogs. We walk on two legs, don't have tails, and use our hands for gestures. Even our facial expressions and vocal tones are very different. So, physically and behaviorally, we're clearly not dogs to them. But they still treat us like family. Even though they know we're not dogs, that doesn't mean they don't treat us as part of the pack. Dogs are incredibly social animals, descended from wolves who thrived in groups. In a pack, social structure matters. There are leaders, followers, nurturers, playmates. When you bring a dog into your home, they instantly start figuring out your role in their new pack. Some dogs see you as the leader. Others may try to take that role themselves, depending on personality and training. And how do they interact with you? Like they would with another dog in their group. When a dog brings you a toy, they're inviting you to play, a form of social bonding that they'd do with another dog. When they nuzzle you, lick your hands or face, or lean against you, they're showing affection and trust. In the wild, dogs and wolves do this with pack members. So you may not be a dog, but you're being treated like a valuable part of their group. Dog-human communication. Dogs don't rely on words. They pick up on tone, posture, scent, and expression. When you speak, they may not understand every word, but they understand your mood, your energy, and your intent. Think about this. Dogs often respond to us even when we don't say anything. You can come home upset and your dog will act differently. That's because they read your body language and emotional cues. That's a kind of communication that dogs also use with each other, nonverbal and intuitive. So when you're giving commands, praising, or even just hanging out, your dog is watching and learning the way they would with another social creature. Again, often using the same strategies they'd use on another dog. The parent figure theory. Now here's something interesting. Some experts believe that dogs don't see us as equals or packmates, but more like parental figures. Just like puppies depend on their mothers for food, safety, and structure, many dogs form a similar attachment to their human caregivers. This is backed by research. Studies have shown that dogs experience something similar to a human child's attachment to a parent. They show signs of stress when their humans leave, they seek comfort and protection, and they follow routines that resemble early bonding behavior in young animals. In this view, your dog might not think you're a fellow dog, but they might see you as a dog mom or dad, someone who leads, feeds, protects, and loves them. So, what do dogs really think? Here's the truth. Dogs know we're different. But they don't need us to be the same species to feel bonded to us. They adapt their social behaviors to include us. They treat us like pack members, playmates, protectors, and sometimes like pups who need watching over. And that's pretty amazing. The bond between humans and dogs is one of the strongest cross-species relationships in the animal kingdom. It's built on trust, communication, shared experiences, and mutual care. So no, your dog doesn't think you're a dog. But they do think you're family. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you think dogs understand just how different we are? Drop your thoughts in the comments. As always, I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.